Hello friends, welcome to the second video on Dalit literature in my channel The World of Literature. Today I will talk about Dalit literature in historical context. What events prompted Dalit literature to fight for the injustices and raise voice of protest to promote justice and equality. Now, Dalit literature, the historical context. Dalit literature emerged in the early 20th century in India, primarily in Marathi language, as a response to the oppression of caste in the mid 20th century, that is, in independent India. We need to understand the historical context of it. The colonial era or the period in India spanned from 18th century to 1947. This period was the period of British rule, which had a profound impact on the society, especially the Dalit community. The Dalits were subjected to economic exploitation, forced labor, and landlessness. Dalit culture and tradition was suppressed by Brahminical culture, which was promoted as the dominant culture. The colonial era solidified the social hierarchy, with Brahmins at the top of the ladder and Dalits at the bottom. It was here that the Dalit literature began to take shape, challenging the dominant narratives and offering voice to the marginalized. Dalit literature became a powerful tool for resisting caste based oppression and colonial rule. Dalit literature began to take shape with writers like Jyotirao Phule and Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, who emerged as key figures in the Dalit movement advocating for Dalit rights and social justice. Mahatma Jyotirao Phule was a social reformer who fought against social injustice and caste based oppression. He criticized the caste system, advocating equality for all. He worked for Dalit upliftment, women's rights, education, and empowerment of Dalits. Then we have Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. His works laid the foundation for Dalit literary tradition, which emphasized the importance of life experiences and social justice. His writings helped shape a collective Dalit identity, emphasized self respect, dignity, and resistance against caste based oppression. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar worked to abolish caste system and promote social equality, fight for the dignity of the marginalized, educate and assert Dalit rights. In those days, journals and newspapers were only for the educated and upper caste, and the Dalits have no access to it. So there was no proper medium to represent and reflect the Dalit issues and problems. So Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started a newspaper for Dalit for making them literate, and thus from here began the journey of Dalit writers who came forward to bring change in society by protesting against discrimination. Their narratives gave voice to the marginalized. Dalit writers came up with their literature that emphasized their emotions, their feelings, and their struggle. They dealt with the reality and addressed the pains and conditions of the Dalits. Dalit literature is thus revolutionary in nature, a response to the history of Dalit oppression. It affects the readers and arouses the Dalit consciousness by promoting equality, freedom, and justice. Thanks, dear friends. Thanks for watching. I will be coming with the new videos on Dalit literature, and the Dalit writers will follow thereafter. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.